For the first method, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD, then we're going to run it as administrator. Click on yes, then we're going to type in ping space 127.1.1.1 and click on enter. If you're getting a reply like this, it means that your network adapter is working and that there's no problem with it. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in run, then we're going to type in services.msc and click on enter. Once we're on it, we're going to click on any service, then we're going to click on W on our keyboard, which will take us down. We're going to scroll down to WLAN auto config. Make sure that it's running and it says automatic. So the way to do that is by right click and then click on start, which will make it say running. Then we're going to right click on it, head over to properties, then click on startup type and then make it automatic. Click on OK, which will make it say running automatic. Once we're on it, we're going to head over to advanced and then you're going to click on restore advanced settings and click on OK. I'm not going to do it because it works for me, but you do it. Next, we're going to head over to search and type in run. Then we're going to type in ncpa.cpl. Click on enter. For me, it says Ethernet, but for you, it says Wi-Fi. We're going to right click on it and then you want to click on enable. Make sure that it's enabled. However, if it says disable, just disable it and then enable it again. For the next method, we're going to right click on the Windows start icon in the bottom left. Then we're going to head over to device manager. Once we're on it, we're going to expand network adapters. And then you may have something similar to this, which I'm going to show on screen right now. When you see it, we're going to right click on it, head over to properties, and then we're going to head over to driver, and then you want to update driver. And then you want to search automatically for drivers. If it says that you have the best one installed, we're going to go back, click on browse my computer for drivers, click on let me pick from a list, and then you want to install everything that will come up here. Just try all of them. So first try the first one, click on next. If that doesn't work, try the second one, click on next, etc. For the next method, head over to search and type in run, then type in ms config, click on enter. Once we're on it, we're going to head over to services and then make sure that hide all Microsoft services is unchecked, and then we're going to click on disable all and then enable all. I'm not going to do it because it's working for me, but you do it. Next, we're going to right click on the Windows start icon, then head over to device manager. Then we're going to expand network adapters, and then we want to find that adapter which is similar to the one that I'm going to put on screen. Right click on it and then click on uninstall device. Do not tick on attempt to remove the driver for this device. Leave this unchecked and then click on uninstall. Once you uninstall it, head over to action and then click on scan for hardware changes and it should come back. If it's not come back yet, don't worry. Next, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD, then we're going to run it as administrator. Click on yes. Once we're on it, we're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset and click on enter. After you do this and you do all of the methods in the video, restart your computer and the problem should be fixed.